Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, ufana inkosi yami. Sombiza sergeant. Or what are we gonna call him? Because I just feel like even his career is done. Sebembiza nange ice boy. I'm just like I'm dead by. It's drama right now. Apparently he hasn't eaten for 6 days. I'm like, oh, hunger strikes. It's getting nowhere. You started this. And I always say, guys, don't call stuff from the bushes for yourself. And then when it's time to take accountability, like how is that going to help South Africans? Children learning from that. You started this, you've been busy in my paper bags and your sneakers and your jeans. Some days it blue, some days it black, jean yako. Upumi angena go egebengini imgulukudu's houses. Okay, team, leave you. Like, what are you doing? Like, we want to let today. You didn't know this day will come? And Lilia fake quickly by one. It's so crazy how it happens. Just one. Crazy stuff was found in your house. I'm a grenade in this side. And then the next thing now, you haven't eaten for 6 days. Like, I'm just like, and then there's a story so good manje ufila ukuthi is gonna be poisoned and then is actually sleeping in a wing, some hospital, guys, inside jail. I'm like, no, guys, it's stories, those things. Please take accountability, face up to your crap, everything that you've done to South Africans, literally. This is what you've done. Face your situations and stop eating up, you know. How TMPD chief was like, angmazi mina ufana inkosi. I was like, you know what, guys? I was like, akekho umuntu okwaziyo. Bewona ukuthi ngempela ubi-ice boy wena kaswazi. Umswazi, abanye bathi usazi, abanye bathi umswazi. Ubi-ice boy wena, basically. Yeah, everybody. Another one that stood out for me around the Sergeant Faninkosi is the dockets. CIT guys, like you should now be involved phela lapho. Inini benifika lapho to act like NAU a police to help out, literally. Like this other lawyer that was actually arrested, who was standing up for 2 guys that stole somewhere, but when we mastermind, but you also a lawyer. I'm just like, I'm done. And apparently when they came to take the 2, he ran away, the lawyer. So he was arrested in court while he was trying to represent these 2. I'm like, I'll see again, man. Just go extra, guys. It's a lot. He appeared in court shortly yesterday, the 7th of April 2026. He will appear again on Monday, on the 13th. He remains behind bars where he belongs right now. Don't forget, he was actually witness F or brothers of Faninkosi because he was afraid. I'm just like, why are we afraid of other police? Why? When you work with these people are your friends, please me. Nancy's into easy rogue together. So what happened now? Why are you scared? Scared of who? Matlang was like, please, Wena, you're not witness F. I see him being fired while he's still in jail because he's actually suspended right now. They got some more money for cash 50,000 rands again this time. He got Atlanta Matter did explain ukuthi ene ubrothers utholakele ngeimali ungakhohlwa ukuthi it's for the second time nakumahlanga yaqhamuka indaba yakhe uzobekutshela ngobhuti wakhe all the time, even nasendlini the stuff that people found there in the house. He was like, no, it's my brother's things. We like, please, I'm unlicensed and crazy things. I'm a grenades there to explosives there basically. When you eat some army like, oh, yasabisalo. I think in Xhosa. Yeah. I'm just like, no, Bena, isn't they come sabisawand? Okay, right. You really actually belong in jail. You are scared no next door. I'm sure they like, that's what's going around in neighborhood. I'm sure they're like, no, He's better off in jail. Uyi-flight risk. On top of that, inakuyena uzozihama yena. Like, it's not right. You know those type of people. Ubasabi uthi oh lo uzovela azenze yena azidubule yena or azibhome yena ngokwakhe. Uyawuthanda ucash. Again, this time he was found with a lot of money. Ilezi imali ayithola kulaba bangani bakhe ama-criminals oKate Matlala, oMswazi, oBanibani. Hey, lo muntu lo akekho right. And you know, at first he came off like ungathi umuntu who's gonna tell us about criminals. Nayo yiyona. I think uFani Nkosi is actually safe in jail. Yakhumbula ama-criminals akhe asabisa kanjani. I'm not gonna be mentioning them. Like the one KT Molefe. Lo muntu is dangerous. He can do anything to Fani, like right now. So he's actually better off in jail. Because even the Hawks were saying, you know what? We are opposing the bail. Right. The stuff that you found in his house is in another level. So we can't. He's actually better off in jail. He's not safe. He's actually said it as well. Besides, he's not eating, but he was just like, also, I'm not safe. Yeah. Kodwa nje okwamanje soke sime kancane ngoFani Nkosi, but it is clear that he was definitely working with the Big Five. He was working with syndicates. He was working with cartels. Whatever you call them. But yeah, he's in there. Like, he's actually able to this guy in another level you've never seen. Captain Johannes van Rensburg is just a thief again. I qedile imali lomuntu. Echoncha, literally, in front of the police officers' noses. I'm just like, he stole about 4.7 million. That was actually supposed to be the fund that's basically protecting the president. I'm just like, he's had a bail hearing already yesterday as well on the 7th. They've been making him and at courts. I'm just like, no, it's a lot. So he got like a 50,000 rands bail. I just feel like he has it. Akafani no-sisters lo on Zempic lo wathi no mina anginayo ke imali kodwa uMatlala kwami uthumelela 300,000 in some butchery, like, but she was like, no, anginayo mina 80,000 for bail. uVan Rensburg unawo umsho befaka amanye ama-accounts efamily yakhe ngoba lo muntu stole like real money from SAPS. He is actually a flight risk, Johannes, because now what has happened is that they took his passport from him because vele he is a flight risk. And chances are when lezi zinto zikaMatlala othatha imali ayise Mauritius or eSwitzerland sebeyasabisa labantu. You can't take them serious. You must just put them in jail. Mawubanikeza ibail, take everything from them. So his passport was taken from him. You must report. Obviously, you know how it is with the bail conditions. It's the whole thing. You need to report at a certain time, at once a week at the police station.